The wait is almost over. For months, drone enthusiasts have been holding their breath for updates on the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and now we finally have something exciting to talk about. After radio silence since February, new images have emerged of the Mini 5 Pro being tested in the wild on the streets of China. This leak, reported by Jasper Ellens via Drone XL, isn't just a random rumor, it looks rock solid. The fact that DJI is out there publicly testing the Mini 5 Pro means one thing: this revolutionary drone is closer to becoming a reality, and a summer 2025 launch is looking more likely than ever. Flashback: how it all started. To understand the buzz around the Mini 5 Pro, let's rewind to December 2024, when the very first glimpse of this drone surfaced online. Even from those early leaks, we could tell DJI was planning something big. One major difference was immediately clear: the chunkier motors on the Mini 5 Pro compared to its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro. Why does this matter? Bigger motors usually translate to increased power, which often suggests a full redesign. This means DJI could be rethinking the Mini series entirely, perhaps pushing its limits like never before. The ultimate question: can it stay under 250 grams? One of the Mini series standout features has always been its lightweight design, coming in under 250 grams.
Hello,
This key feature allows owners to skip the registration process in many countries, a huge selling point for casual and professional users alike. But with all the upgrades hinted at in these leaks, including larger motors and possibly a more powerful camera, enthusiasts are asking the big question: can DJI keep the Mini 5 Pro under the weight limit without compromising on performance? It's a tightrope walk, but if any company can pull it off, it's DJI. A closer look at the leaked design. The newest leaks reveal some intriguing details. For one, the latest photos show what looks like an even bigger camera sensor compared to earlier images. A larger sensor could mean improved low-light performance and sharper image quality, great news for photographers and videographers. Another notable addition in these images is the prop guards, which weren't present in the initial leaks. Are these just for testing, perhaps to protect the drone in case of mishaps, or are they an accessory similar to those offered for the Mini 4 Pro? It's too early to tell, but the speculation is adding fuel to the excitement.